Common cooking-related verbs in English. Preparation verbs. Chop, chop, chop. Slice, slice, slice. Dice, dice, dice. Peel, peel, peel. Grate, grate, grate. Mince, mince, mince. Crush, crush, crush. Trim, trim, trim. Shred, shred, shred. Julienne, julienne, julienne. Cooking methods. Boil, boil, boil. Simmer, simmer, simmer. Fry, fry, fry. Deep fry, deep fry, deep fry. Bake, bake, bake. Roast, roast, roast. Grill, grill, grill. Steam, steam, steam. Saute, saute, saute. Broil, broil, broil. Poach, poach, poach. Braise, braise, braise. Stew, stew, stew. Blanch, blanch, blanch. Toast, toast, toast. Adding ingredients. Mix, mix, mix. Stir, stir, stir. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Beat, beat, beat. Blend, blend, blend. Fold, fold, fold. Season, season, season. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Pour, pour, pour. Add, add, add. Other useful verbs. Marinate, marinate, marinate. Need, need, need. Cool, cool, cool. Chill, chill, chill. Freeze, freeze, freeze. Melt, melt, melt. Defrost, defrost, defrost. Preheat, preheat, preheat. Serve, serve, serve. Taste, taste, taste. Garnish, garnish, garnish. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. See you next time. Goodbye.